A boy's sneeze triggered a chain reaction that led to the discovery of a new element. It all started in a bustling chemistry lab, where a young prodigy sneezed into an experimental setup, accidentally mixing compounds in ways no one had imagined. As the sneeze-induced concoction bubbled and fizzed, scientists scrambled to analyze the unexpected reaction, only to find traces of a completely unknown element. This accidental discovery sent shockwaves through the scientific community, revolutionizing our understanding of chemistry and opening up new possibilities for innovation. The boy's sneeze didn't just disrupt a quiet lab, it changed the periodic table forever.